Alright, my channel is usually about photography, right? Reviewing photography gear and camera gear and stuff like that. But that's 95% of what I do. But also 5% are just my other interests. In this case, gaming. This right here is the Xbox or the Xbox Series S. Ooh la la. Next gen has arrived in my house, guys. Let's open it up together and test out how it is. We got to peel this little thing here. I actually was surprised that I got it, to be honest, because on the website I ordered it from Microsoft itself. It says they would send it somewhere after Christmas, after the holidays. And I was like, alright, no problem, I will wait. Then suddenly this UPS guy came in front of my house. I'm like, what the hell? What's this? And on the box it says Microsoft. And I was like, cool. Alright. Dun 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 dun. Oh wow. Oh wow, look how small it is. It's really like a shoebox, guys. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know what? Oh, we're gonna just put it over here. Oh. It's like minimal design, guys, here. What's this? Alright, I think here's the... Ooh. Here's the controller and stuff. Alright. I'm gonna go downstairs and open this up together with my little kid. See you in a jiff. Let's turn this baby on. This is, by the way, the next day, guys. So, as you see, I've downloaded some games: Battlefield, Doom, Fortnite, Forza, Minecraft. So, this is actually, I think we can add one more game, because as you see at the bottom left, we got 30.6 gigs left. 91.6% is used. So let's check out the first game. I think we'll start with what's nice to play with. I think Forza, just to see how fast it is. You know, quick resuming things. And that's cool, man. That's something that I really like about this, is that you can just switch around games if you really want to, but you know, usually I just play one game, to be real honest. So I'm never going to switch, like in the middle of a game or something, just pause and then. It's a nice feature, but really, are you somebody that is doing that? I don't know. I'm not somebody that just in the middle of a game is going to start something else, but it's a nice feature, you know. Alright, this is Battlefield. Alright, so far the first impression is, especially with this LG OLED TV, everything works perfectly fine. It's very smooth. And let's jump in to the main screen. Everything is Dutch, by the way, as you see here. Let's check out the options for your TV, right? As you see here, let's zoom in a little bit. Maybe you can now see it here. It says 4K, 120 Hertz, and you know, you can pretty much do everything with this. So that's cool. Here are all the things that the TV can do. Everything is checked. So, you know, so far, man, things are looking really, really good. Don't have any complaints. So let's see what 1440p will look like. Is it really like a resolution drop or anything. I don't think so, to be honest, you know. Especially when you sit from a distance, you don't see a real difference. Works perfectly fine. Also, the console itself is very silent and just very smooth. I really like it. This is next gen, then that's great. So the Xbox Series S for now, the first impressions, the first like, I think I played around 4 hours now or something. It's very nice, very cool. You know, this is 1440p. I don't see a difference, man. I really don't see it. Alright, that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. And you know, my channel is 95% about photography gear. And you know, sometimes 5% of things are a little bit different, such as gaming, tech reviews and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all, guys. See you in the next one. Right.